I have stopped using coconut oil on my hair. Please, 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 ladies, if you have 4C hair, stay away from the coconut oil. Don't think just because she wears a wig means she's bald underneath. You'll be surprised. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are having an amazing day so far. Today we're going to be having a natural hair talk. Okay, I'm going to show you guys some revelations, some new information that has been bestowed upon me by my mother and my grandmother, which I wish I knew ages ago. While everybody's busy running around talking about coconut oil, I wish I knew about this. I only just discovered it. Well, I say only just. I've been doing it for about 7 months and I haven't shared it with you guys. I'm sorry. I know I've been withholding information, but I need to test it out to really see if it works, and this is thebomb.com. So to talk about natural hair, I should be in my natural state, right? So let me just whip out the afro real quick. So a few months ago, I cut my hair into a tapered kind of fro, but it's grown out and it's doing its own thing. And I have stopped using coconut oil on my hair. Please, 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 ladies, if you have 4C hair, stay away from the coconut oil. I know coconut oil was the trend and people are saying put it all over your edges, put it on your bank accounts, do pre-poos with them, put it all over your life. If your boyfriend's messing around, put it all over your boyfriend and it will be all good. Coconut oil saves lives, really and truly. No, it doesn't. Coconut oil dried out my hair. And I was so confused. At first, it was amazing. The first couple of months was like, oh my God, coconut oil is like life. And then after a while, my hair started getting really dry, really brittle. It felt really hard. And I just wasn't sure what was causing it. It wasn't after I washed it. It was like a couple of days afterwards. It would just feel so, ugh. You know, like really, really difficult and tangled. The ends would just be horrible. I thought I might have split ends, so I need to cut them. But even when I cut them and then went through it again, it was still tangled. And so I slowly stopped using certain things in my hair, one at a time, to see what was causing the problem. And it was the coconut oil. So if you're having a problem with dry and brittle hair and your hair starting to feel harder than usual, it might just be the coconut oil that you're using in your hair. So what I would suggest instead is please ditch the coconut oil and use Jamaican castor oil, black Jamaican castor oil instead. Now some of you might be saying, that's not new, I know of this, I've heard of it. Well, I ain't seen nobody do it on YouTube, okay, or say anything about it. And the person that told me was my mother. She went and called my grandmom and asked my grandmom to get her some all the way from St. Lucia when my grandmom was coming up, and I was like, hey, I want to try some too. And lo and behold, it was like everything. And I use castor oil in my hair almost every day. I'll put a little bit in a spray bottle and spray it on there when I need to moisturize my hair. I also use shea butter, raw, pure shea butter in my hair. And I add avocado oil, castor oil, and Moroccan oil in my shampoo bottle. I don't use any combs while I'm washing my hair. I just finger detangle, and at the end I'm able to put them into 4 little poofs, and the hair is so soft and so moisturized that it is already detangled. I don't get a bunch of hair, a clump in my hand at the end of a shower. It just doesn't happen to me anymore, and I'm so thankful. I'm never going back. So that's what I do. After shampooing, I don't condition my hair anymore, and I know some of you guys are looking like, what? How? I don't do it. I don't need to, because of the oils that are in there. My hair feels so good. It just kind of seals the moisture into the strands, and so my hair just doesn't dry out and doesn't get dry, basically. And it feels really, really good. I mean, you can see, like, look at it. When I'm done with that, I put my castor oil and my shea butter mix, comb it out, add a little bit of water if it gets dried out, and that's it. Then I put it into plaits for it to dry, and then I can throw my wig on top if I have to go somewhere, or I can just let it air dry like that. It really depends on what I need to do on the day. But yeah, most of the times when I am rocking a wig, I have my cornrows in to make sure that my hair is like tip top, but that's usually what I do. I put my hair away until the weather gets nicer so that I don't have to, you know, damage my hair or deal with the elements on my hair, because Lord knows 4C hair is so sensitive. It's sensitive to everything. My hair is temperamental. I'll be like, okay girl, let's go outside, and you know, we've got this tapered fro, let's go outside and rock it. She's like, nah, it's a bit too wet outside, you know, I might shrink. I'm like, alright. Next day, it's a bit too cold, you know, too brittle, I might break on you. I don't know if I really want to go outside. Okay, alright, let's go. It's summertime. It's a bit too hot, a bit too humid, I might shrink, you know, I think I'll just stay in. So my hair is temperamental. It likes to come out when it feels like it's the best time for it to come out. Just after a wash, a day or two after, then is the optimum time to have it out for about 3 or 4 days. And then after that, it's either back in protective style, back in braids, back in under a wig, whatever that's gonna keep it happy and moisturized and looking, yeah. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. See my edges? My edges are not done or any of that. I left it like that on purpose so I can show you guys. So I get a little bit of castor oil. You don't need a lot. Literally just get my finger, dip it in, and rub a little bit of that on my edges, and I just brush it. My hair isn't gonna stay like ultra flat like I've got 3B or 3C hair. I don't. I have 4C hair, but it is gonna be laid. There's not gonna be any little curly balls up here or anything like that. So if I want to put it in 1 or I want to put it in 2 or whatever it is, it stays. It will stay like that. Do you see that? I just thought that I'd show you guys that I could separate my hair with just my finger, because that used to be a struggle, okay? And the fact that I can do that with my pinky finger and it looks okay-ish. I mean, it's not a part for you to go outside with, but the fact that I could do that without getting my finger, like, that's saying a lot. Trust me. Once it's dry, I can go ahead and get myself a bubble, and I just put all my hair in it. Usually the back of my hair is the first to grow, so it's usually the longest, but because I have this tapered kind of fro, I had to cut the back, and so now it's the shortest, and that is so strange for me. Don't think just because she wears a wig means she's bald underneath. You'll be surprised. And so I just get the castor oil real quick. So that's it, guys. That's all I do. I hope you learned something. I hope that it helps you, because I've been using it for the last 4 or 5 months and my hair has been thriving, like thriving. It's been amazing. So I hope it helps you out. But before I go, let me announce the winner of my very first Christmas giveaway for 2018. The winner is Queen Cami. She spammed the most, you guys. I had 20,000 comments from you guys. The entries were ridiculous. It was amazing. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing spamming anymore, because that was a lot of comments to go through to find out who spammed the most. But girl, Queen Cami, you are the most realest MVP out here, okay? Well done to you. You get the Fenty Beauty stuff. Where is it? Where is it? It's all in here, okay? All of it. All right, all of it sitting in here. You get all of this stuff. So, I will be contacting you, girl. In fact, I already have. So, don't try anything shady and try and make a profile picture of hers. I've had people do that before. But the next giveaway is going to be next Sunday's video, and it's going to be even bigger and better than this one. So tune in. I might do a little giveaway in this video. In fact, actually, let me do a little one, because you guys said to me, some of you said that you don't have Instagram and you can't participate in the giveaway. So I'm going to do a little mini giveaway right now for you guys. Spam the comment section with the emoji, you know, that girl that goes, spam with that emoji down below, and the winner will get the latest Givenchy perfume for winter 2018. Okay, it's called L'Interdit. and it's amazing. It smells. I'm also giving you guys the matching nail color, okay, to go with it. The wonderful people at Givenchy think that this perfume would be the best complement to this color, and I have to agree. It smells like sultry and dark and sexy, you know, on a winter's night out when you're wearing your Louboutins and you're wearing a really nice dress and you're going to like a fashion little ball and you put that perfume and this nail polish with dark red lipstick. Oh my God. That's what it's like. So if you want to enter this little mini competition, it has nothing to do with the 7 giveaways that I'm doing for Christmas. This is just a little something, because you know I like giving you guys something. Just spam with the, and you guys get this. And this is just on YouTube, just for you guys. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and you share. And then spam the heck out of the comment section and you are in with a chance to win. Whoever spams the most wins this. Just a little something for you guys. Bye!